Happy rainy Friday here in North Carolina. If you watch the news, this may seem like the perfect dreary day to talk about real estate, right? I mean, after all, according to the news, which thrives on sensationalism, the end is near. The bubble is bursting, the housing market is collapsing, and yada, yada, yada. Well, guess what? The sun is peeking out from behind the clouds, so let's talk about what's really going on in our real estate market here in the Triangle. It's time to burst the bubble rumors about our market. The February 2023 numbers are in, but before we dig further into last month's numbers, it's important to note that we did have a slight price correction when interest rates first went up last fall. The number of homes with price corrections was also up, as sellers tried to adapt to the higher interest rates. Now things are beginning to change again. You'd think the higher mortgage rates would affect our market more, but there's such a high demand for housing in this area that they really aren't. There was a 23% decrease in resale listings in February 2023 versus February 2022. Why is this important to note? Simply stated, lack of inventory and supply and demand. There was a 5% increase in the median list price and a 6% increase in the price per square foot on resale listings in February 2023 versus February of 2022. What does this mean? Well, in my opinion, most likely we've reached the bottom of the correction and are heading back up. Here's why. The average current list prices are only 2% lower than they were at their peak in May of 2022. The current average list price is $415,000, as opposed to $425,000 at the height of the market. Price per square foot in May of 2022 was $218. In February of 23, it was $216. That's less than 1%. Why is this happening? Well, despite the rise in mortgage rates, we simply don't have the inventory to meet demand. Overall, throughout the Triangle, we have 1 month or less of supply, which equals a severe undersupply. Real property ownership provides an incredible avenue to wealth. If you or someone you know would like more information or are ready to buy and sell, let's set up a time to chat. I'd love to help you find the perfect Triangle house to call home.